Banner engineering makes counting the number of customers inside a store simple and easy. For manual counting, pair an employee with a direct select at each doorway. At entrances, employees increase the count for everyone who enters. And at the exit, lower the count for each person that leaves. Pair with an indication light to clearly show when it's safe to enter and when people have to wait outside. Keep people safe and maintain an efficient flow of business with the easy-to-use battery-powered Direct Select. For a more automatic solution, mount laser sensors at door entrances and exits to track the number of customers on a single Direct Select. When customers walk through doors, our smart sensors can determine if a customer is leaving or entering and adjust the count appropriately. Visual feedback combined with signage helps communicate when it's safe for customers to enter the store and signal when the store has reached capacity. Banner Engineering offers a variety of secure and easy-to-deploy devices as a part of our trusted wireless network. These devices are designed to push data to on-site servers or the cloud, providing you with the data to support a safe environment. What can Banner do for you? To learn more, visit bannerengineering.com/SafeWorkSolutions.